Musing. Oh, sir, you staying here? You're okay. Hey there, my name is Zed Howie, and this is Howie Grow a Brand. 1, 2, 3. If you like what you learned from this video, help us promote this channel by clicking the like button below and subscribing to our channel. Ready to go? Let's get into today's chat. So this truly is the most wonderful time of the year for me. And you know, this year has been nothing expected. And so as I enter into these last 2 weeks of the year, which are truly two of my most favorite weeks of the year, as a human, as like a husband and a dad, but as importantly, as just an individual, these 2 weeks truly have become my annual time to slow my roll, to take an inventory, and to reset my bearings. And so as I reflect on this year and, we go into this joyous time of Christmas and the looking into the new year and all the holidays that you may be celebrating, there's 3 things that really come to mind that I am going to take a fresh look at, as well as refresh my intention. And that is that this year has been all about distancing. And I say we've got to shift into connecting. And that distancing, while safe and our connections can't be reckless, we cannot continue to mentally and emotionally isolate from ourselves. No matter what we have to do to protect ourselves from the invisible enemy, we have to be more deliberate about being connected. Second is this world, this time, these last couple of months, this year, it seems, has been all about distractions. It's been all about all this chatter and noise and dissension and upsetness and everything. And in doing that, it's easy to lose sight of what our why is, what our personal why is, and what our collective why is. So I'm voting, instead of being distracted, I want to be committed. I want to be committed to my purpose, inspiring a million joys. I want to be committed to those who are committed to me, and I want to be committed to those who are less committed to me, but should be more committed to me, as we strive to do what we're called to do. So instead of being distracted, I am going to choose to be committed. And then third, with distancing comes isolation. And with that isolation comes a very easy pass at being disengaged. And to me, disengaged is just the opposite of joy. Disengaged is being segregated from the connecting power of compassion, the connecting power of humanness, the connecting power of care, the connecting power of literally just recognizing the needs of someone else and how oftentimes they reflect the needs we have. So instead of being disengaged or allowing myself to be deceived into disengagement, I'm going to double down on compassion. I'm going to double down on checking in. I'm going to double down on checking on, and I'm going to double down on reaching out. So as I have a little more time than usual in this next week or two, I'm going to be more deliberate, not about just celebrating the holidays, but hopefully celebrating those whom I care about. Celebrating them directly and indirectly, celebrating them with my intentions, celebrating them with my actions, celebrating them with my prayers and hopefulness, but frankly, celebrating along with them the fact that even in the midst of the plague and the pandemic and the fear and the political craziness, we can celebrate the fact that when we're connected, when we're committed and we are compassionate, we are truly being much more of not only what we're called to be, of what we're designed to be. Hey, I really hope this helps and inspires your day. If any of this works on your business this week, I'd love to hear about it in the comments, or hey, just message me. Can't wait to see what we chat about next time on How We Grow a Brand. We'll see you soon.